Welcome to logging into Canvas. This is where you're going to go. You're going to go to digitallearning.jordandistrict.org/Canvas login. Students will go here and they will click on Student Access. You will need to make sure that they have their email address, which is their login, and they cannot remind them that they cannot use this email address as a normal email. It is just a login until they're in junior high. Once they click there, they will put in their lunch number and continue. You will see this is what it looks like for them. They will however many Canvas classes you decide to make is what they will see. Now my daughter's in high school, so you can see that she has a lot more. You may choose just to do 1 or 2 classes. You probably don't want to do one for each subject, but we'll talk about that later. They can click on the Canvas course, and wherever we decide to have them go is where they'll be. Then this is how they log out if they need to, and then this is what parents need to do in order to get into their own students' Canvas. They need to have the same information. They need to have their students' email address and their lunch number. So this is what they will see when they go in. Parents can see how their students are doing in their classes just by logging in. And they can immediately go to grades and see what is available. Clearly they don't have very much right now. This is the first day of school, so there's not much right now, but eventually there will be like a scores. Let me see, I think there was one that, let me go back to dashboard, and I think band has some stuff, so you can see how much something is worth, and then parents can like if there's a comment, there will be like a little thought bubble, and if you click on it, it'll tell you what the teacher says. So that's and then students can and parents can see if their student had turned it in, this would be marked somehow. Anyway, I won't go into any more detail on that. But that is what it looks like. For you will go and click on Teacher Access. You will log in with your Google. This is just your normal Google email and password. You don't need anything special for that. And these should populate. You do not need to use all of the ones that they give you. They're just there if you need them. So if you I like to create stuff in one and then move it over just to kind of make it a little bit less messy. I don't know. But I probably will only use 1, maybe 2, one for math and one for like language arts and everything else. So that's all I plan on using. And when you're ready to publish, we'll publish it. But that's how it looks. To log out, you just click on your account and log out.